Hi friends, so ये हमारा next है and this is a book I can see Ashwaraaj and this is from Raj Comics, which is the Nagraj wala thing. मतलब they make the Nagraj and Indian comics from very beginning and we should always help them promote whatever we can to the Indian thing. So open this up and see. Wow, this is Kaji Ashwaraj and Raj Comics, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them total. There's a shiny, and I don't know which should be the first one by 03686476378093 and 383. I think there is no order in it, so I'll just start with this one. Looks nice. And बे बकेरा का जादू यक्त नागराज को मसलने ये पहुंचा मुफ्त इस कमरे के साथ नागराज का एक आकर्षक स्टिकर मुफ्त बोकारो का जादू. Okay, there's a sticker also somewhere. So this is how it looks, and you should, wow. And they like really gone for it. They actually drawn things. It's not like ऐसा hacky way में निकाल दिया. I have there is a छोटा भीम का, there was like so hacky, but this is like actual comic and actual story, and they draw those characters properly in the way like action frames, perspectives वगैरह के साथ. That looks nice. Like just look at it, the frames, everything, and everything has a story, and we all have enough characters to build our own things and enough stories, and lot of those movies are coming up with our own things, own stories, and in the past looks nice, right? Everything, and it looks like the thing you want to read as a comic, and lot of things also do with availability वगैरह. So this is शैतान का जादू. See, looks nice. Then this is another one. Wow, dragons, nice. And then this is the last one. Matlab, if its order would have been a much better, but what I can see, like the quality, and it's color comic, by the way. So yeah, link in the description for all of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. This is 6. So all 6 of them. Link in the description. Bye bye. Thank you.